Today we're going inside this modern factory to see how whole potatoes are transformed into these perfectly stacked potato chips.
We move from the hygiene corridor to the real-world beginning of the potato supply, just as the presenter promised.
The process begins as fresh potatoes are loaded onto the conveyor system, starting their journey through the factory.
Potatoes move along the inspection table, where workers quickly remove any debris or substandard tubers before they reach the automated graders.
Inside the rotating drum washer, high-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the whole potatoes before they move on to the peeling machine. Next, the potatoes enter the abrasive peeler. Here, they tumble against specialized rollers and
with the green ones coming through now.
I see them, sending this one to waste.
the freshly diced potato cubes are now transported by conveyor belt into the continuous steam blancher.
The soft, steaming potato cubes enter the mashing drum. Specialized paddles rotate, quickly breaking them down into a thick mash. From the mashing drum and spread as a thin film onto the large double drum dryer to create dehydrated potato flakes. After mixing, the dough onto the conveyor. The team checks the consistency before it's fed directly into the sheeter, ready to be rolled flat.
Next, the thick potato is dropped into the hopper and pulled through these heavy steel rollers, emerging as a smooth sheet on the conveyor belt. The rough dough sheet is refined by the gauge rollers, producing a uniform thin sheet, the base for our stacked chips.
Continuous sheet of potato dough is precisely gauged by laser sensors, ensuring uniform thickness. The molds carry the freshly shaped potato dough directly into the continuous fryer.
Here, the raw potato enters the fryer. The intense heat instantly begins the transformation process, bubbling vigorously until golden brown. Chips now enter the continuous hot air dryer, where blasts of hot air remove moisture, making them perfectly crisp.
Exiting the multi-stage dryer, the chips spread out on the cooling conveyor belt, ready for the next step in the process.
The chips continue along the cooling conveyor, passing under specialized fans designed to lower their temperature before reaching the metal detection phase.
After metal detection, the chips slide towards the optical sorter, where high-speed cameras analyze each one for quality control.
Samples are regularly collected and weighed to ensure precise seasoning coverage. A taste test confirms the signature crunch before the chips move on.
Our rigorous quality checks ensure consistency. Then, the chips move to the vibratory alignment system.
Using precise pneumatic movements, the stacking head rapidly forms the iconic curved chips into continuous stacks ready for packaging.
Once filled, every can passes through the inline check weigher.
And this is where the journey concludes. Every can you see started as a whole potato, processed and packaged right here in the factory. It's amazing to think that this stack of chips started life as a whole potato, just like this one. Let me show you how they look inside the finished product can. The sound of perfection. Our state-of-the-art process means every single chip is uniform, creating that iconic stack you see here. And it's this precise control from flake production right through to frying that ensures this perfect consistency every time. The light texture and consistent shape, the controlled dough, frying, and seasoning steps. From humble potatoes to the iconic stack, let's dive into the fascinating process of how we make Pringles right here in the factory. The precision and engineering behind these chips ensures that every single one meets our exact standards, creating that perfect, from whole potatoes arriving on trucks, through washing, dough sheeting, frying, seasoning, stacking, and packaging, we turn whole potatoes into consistently perfect stacked potato chips.